My name is Usala, but my friends call me Prestley. I like to make money. I'm an independent filmmaker, and I did a little music production in my time. My work has been successful, and I sold millions of records around the world. Now I'm ready to diversify and get into new businesses. Follow me as I learn new ways to make millions and millions of dollars. This is Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Let's make some money. Okay, cool. Any major repairs in the past few years? How fast are you looking to sell? Any major repairs in the last year on a scale of 1 to 10? What condition would you say the house is in? Do you own the house free and clear? How much are you looking to get for the home? The home.
And then go back to some people's phone. She's saying her phone only texts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Motherfuckers be calling people and they didn't pick up. I was just telling my brother, yo, you gotta be texting people too. Mm. Some motherfuckers can't. They broke. They phone is off. She on Wi-Fi right now. It's like, hey, what's up, nigga? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
My phone only texts right now. That's a good fucking point. You recording me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Episode 7. Making Money with Prestley Snipes. I hope y'all didn't see my leads. I just motherfucking got a check today for this shit. I don't know if this is my best angle right here. I'm like,
it was good.
Yeah, anyway, I just got a motherfucking check today. You know what I'm saying? My first wholesale deal finally closed this week. It was crazy because it was off of a cold call that I made back in January. It's now July 19th. Now I got the leads coming in left and right. Closed 3 deals this week. 2 more checks coming next week. Got another house in Michigan I was trying to sell, but the lady ended up selling it she ended up putting it on out. Her real estate agent ended up selling it, so I'm happy for her. And then another contract, I just sent out another contract today, waiting for the seller to sign it. So I did like 5 deals this week. I'm working on like 5 deals this week. 3 of them closed. You know what I'm saying? Got the money. You know what I'm saying? You want to see the money? You want to see the money? It's already in my bank account. You know what I'm saying? It's already in my bank account. You know, I'm about to blur out my name. You know what I'm saying? You see Usala Aline, Prestley Snipes. That's me right there. You know, that's my government. 56, almost 5600 done. Almost 5600 done. Off a goddamn wholesale deal. You know what I'm saying? I did this off a cold call. I picked up this phone. I said, hey, how you doing? Oh, 5600? Okay, send it to me. Okay, send it to me. That's basically what I did. I just picked up the phone, made 5600. You know what I'm saying? I'm down to make 5600 phone calls all day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is my cousin over here. You know what I'm saying? He's in the cut. He's a future real estate investor. You know what I'm saying? He's about to be balling. You're gonna see him in a Bentley before he's 25. Real. But anyway, yeah, we did our first deal today. I'm gonna pull some of this cash out, show y'all some of this money. We can't do making money without Prestley Snipes, without me showing you some money. So we gonna make it rain. But I'm actually talking to a lead that just came in. I got a whole new system now, man. We don't even be driving for dollars. We don't even be doing all these cold calling. You know, cold calling still good. I ain't shitting on cold calling, but right now I found a new system where I don't do shit. I sit in the bed all day and the money come to me. Okay, she just texted me back. She said 6 for repairs. I own free and clear, no mortgage. I had it listed with Remax Realty. She said 6 for repairs. 6. Oh, 6 on a scale of 1 to 10. She says the property is 6. How much do you want? Oh, she said she had it listed. Then that means it didn't sell. Let me see it. Well, see, usually people that want to list the house, they want top dollar for it. But I mean, if it didn't sell, she knows she can't get top dollar. Let me look up this house. I want to see how much she tried to sell it for. It's going down. It's going down. We selling houses. I'm not a beginner no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of kindergarten right now. You know what I'm saying? We doing deals. It's like I just sit at home. I just sit there, relax. Where's the house at? I sit there and relax, and the leads come to me now. So episode 8, Make Money with Prestley Snipes. We actually making some money on this real estate shit now.
Tell them what it's called.
Huh?
Tell them what it's called.
What's called?
What you doing?
What, the real estate?
Oh, they know.
Wholesale real estate.
Episode 8.
It's episode 8. You ain't see episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
Yeah.
Man, we did it all, dog. We just showed you how to make goddamn 10,000 in a week doing wholesaling real estate. Now, at the rate I'm going, I'm gonna make over 40,000 this month just off this one hustle. So add that up with my other hustles, and I'm a rich motherfucker. Make Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 8. I don't even know. I could probably end this episode right now. I'm gonna pull some money. I'm gonna pull some money out the bank. I'm gonna just pull a few racks out, but that ain't really shit. You know, you see people on Instagram with $100,000, $1 million. If Floyd Mayweather fucked the game up, so me flashing 5, 10, 20,000, even 50, 100,000 in your face, it's really no big deal. But I want to motivate you and let you know that this shit is real. You can make money from your bed doing this hustle. You just have to put the initiative in. Like I said, I made this money off a phone call, off a motherfucking phone call. You know what I'm saying? But you also gotta have that finesse. You know what I'm saying? Because some of you don't know how to talk on the phone. You don't know how to, you know what I'm saying? You gotta grease up the situation. You gotta put some lotion on. You know what I'm saying? I had a sweet talk. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I call on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. You ready to sell that house? Oh, it's okay. Okay, enjoy your day. Happy Memorial Day. You ready to sell your house? So you know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to do that. It's finesse. But episode 8, we got the money. I closed. I ain't a fucking beginner no more. So now you're about to watch me make that 50, 100,000 a month, 200,000 a month. It's happening, man. I'm gonna show y'all some of the process, but I can't give y'all all the secrets. I may have to start selling my real estate program, you know what I'm saying? Because I done found out some shit in these past 8 months since I started this web series. You could be a millionaire off this shit. I see it. But stay tuned for episode 9. I'm going to probably go to the bank, pull out some money. My other 2 deals are probably going to be closing. We can show y'all some of that action. Probably go to the bank, show y'all some cash. This episode 8, Make Money with Prestley Snipes, man. We at the lab, man. We over here chilling at the office. We in the Arizona office right now. We chilling like a motherfucking villain, you know what I'm saying? You see all that nice work, you see all that nice artwork, that's when Manny lies on the camera. We got the artwork popping. So if you ever wondering, you know, those are for sale too. You know what I'm saying? It's making money for Prestley. We got artwork for sale too. We selling houses and we selling that artwork. So if you want any of those, that one's 20,000. That's one's what's that, 5,000. 55. Yeah. So anyway, making money with Prestley Snipes, man. Holla at me, boy.